I'm buying it all back. I paid my tax. I raised my money. I raised $50 billion on the sell. I'm going to pay my tax of $25 billion, and I'm going to put the $25 billion back in at 200 points lower. Right?
Yep.
Why doesn't he do it? And then when he buys it at 200 points lower, he says, now I'm going to screw you because all you guys deserve to get screwed. And I love screwing people. I'm going to split the stock, and it goes to 1,500, and I have more money than before. Is that okay with you? So be careful when you listen to this stuff. These clowns on CNBC don't know shit. They don't know shit. Okay? The guy, Tim, told you to short the stock and told you 21 times not to buy the stock. And it went up 5,000 points. And if you watch him and you didn't buy it, you didn't even buy 5 contracts, you missed $5 million. Are you pissed off? I would be pissed off if I listened to people. But Sam's got such an ego. My ego's so big, I don't listen to anybody. I don't listen to anybody. Shit. I mean, nobody. There you go.
Sam, back
TTD.
to
Look at TTD. 85. 85. Huh?
Back to Trade Desk. I'm looking at these numbers and they look okay, just like last times. I don't see anything spectacular. Do you think people think that Trade Desk can help out with the iOS problem?
No, but here's the thing. TTD told you they didn't have an iOS problem. Everybody else does, right? That's the thing. The reason it's up, Omid, the earnings are good. But everybody said, wait a second, everybody has a problem. They don't have a problem.
Yeah.
So the money goes to what doesn't have a problem, right?
Pretty insane rally. Anyway.
Here's the funniest thing I read on Twitter this morning at 4 a.m. Bitcoin's up a lot and needs a pullback. What the hell? It just
did a pullback. It's coming back from.
I mean, people on Twitter. This guy posted yesterday, the market needs a pullback. I mean, we just had 7 weeks of down, 2 weeks of up. You guys, chill, but be smart. Unless either do this, I'm telling you, do this. Make sure your ego is so strong you just tell people to F off and don't listen or block them. If somebody tells you Tesla's going to 1,100, just block them. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. But don't get screwed because you're listening to people, the clowns that have 10 followers. If somebody follows you or messages you that has less than 50,000 followers, why are you listening to them? Nobody listens to them. People listening to people with 10 followers? Think about it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Don't do this. Don't do this. Okay, let's get started here. Good morning, everybody. How about that rant today? Yeah, this is getting epic. This is getting epic. REO Speedwagon tonight. There we go. Concert. 11-8. Good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down, clocks go forward, clocks go backwards. Stocks breaking out. Bitcoin breaking out. Rippy mode. SPX, like Wednesdays, SPX. 4720s. I think we're going to get to 4,800. There we go. Then we see. SPX, up what, 3? It was up 3. Did it drop? Who knows? Don't know. Up 4. Okay. So we're at 46. 4701 needs 4709, 4721 accelerator. NVIDIA, 309, 321. ASML, 866, 872. Qualcomm, 168. If it gets over 168, what do you want to do? 168. Lam Research finally broke up. 622, 631. We added 2 weeks. Wow, ripper. Lucid, runner, 49.52, 67. If Rivian hits 100. Now, if Rivian opens and it goes down to 20, Lucid going to go to 20. GME. Why are you playing GME? Because you're in love. You're in love. So sad. Don't fall in love. Hubs. 832 accelerator. Coin. 361, 376. Somebody sent me a message said Coin has 2.6 million NFT accounts. I'll bet you at earnings, they're going to say they're going to enable that thing. Then it runs, MicroStrategy, can it get to 900? Amazon, if it trades at 335.66, it will go. That's still 40 points. You have time. Wait, chill. Shopalicious, 1566. TTD, 89.91. UPSD, runner, here we go. If this takes out 353 and holds, it's gonna explode. Sava, 96.103. ANET, 552, told you. NOW, 709. mRNA, 221.209. Google, 30.21. Google has gotten stupid. It's just gotten stupid. I mean, think about this. Last week, the stock was at 29.70, and on Friday, the 3000s were $17. Do you know what it takes to break a pin? Ridiculously hard. There was a 1% chance it would break that pin. 1%. 1%. The 3100s are 8. Stupid price. That's called stupid pricing. I wouldn't even pay $1 for those. Well, maybe it goes, but I wouldn't pay $1. That's called stupid pricing. Don't pay stupid pricing. You will get slammed. If Google is sitting here up a little bit, if Google drops 20 today, those 3100s go to 1 from 8, and you get slaughtered. And here's the thing. Sam tells you, you deserve to get slaughtered if all you want to do is buy stuff nonstop. Chill and wait, chill and wait, chill and wait. Why is BNTX up? That makes no sense to me. That thing's going to go down too. Makes no sense. Why is it up? Explain this to me. This thing should be 160. Okay? If Moderna's shots are going away, BNTX shots are going away. Pfizer not going to give them any part of the pill. Okay? Then we see, and then we see. Okay? Do they have earnings? They may have had earnings. But it's going to go to shit too. So then we see. Okay, what else? TTD, we talked about that. Most people sell a portion of their stock. Exercising creates ordinary income event. Agree. I mean, I remember what it was. I don't remember exactly what it was, but I remember that I had to do that too. Okay, way back when. Sam, a few Tesla scenarios. So Tesla scenario, let it go down. Let them beat this to a drum. Let it go down. Former banker here, we did collateralized loans for company executives all the time. It's the preferred method for loans as they are given at 80% of shares. So if you want $25 billion, you pledge 120% of that number. Shares are never sold, and cash is usually given with CD or money market interest. Very nice. Thank you, Justin. Okay, OMID TTD, not sure my TTD, now it's higher. Tesla produced 54.4 vehicles in China. That's huge. Huge, huge, huge. Interesting. That's what we know. Airbnb, not better. Airbnb is better. 209. Interesting. So then we see, and then we see. Okay, let's see if Bitcoin breaks out. If Bitcoin has a 2-day event, it's gonna explode up. Everybody have a great day. See you in chess.